This is OCS Basketball Video Playbook for position number 4. We're going to cover two plays, Purple Cow and Llama Llama Llama. First play we'll look at is Purple Cow. We have set up in a position that we will start every play in. You'll see that player number 4 is on the right side, is just ahead of player number 2. You will come down and set up in this position for every play. Now in the case of Purple Cow, player number 1 has brought the ball up. They have called out Purple Cow just before crossing the half-court line. Once they cross the half-court line, the play is set into motion. You see that player number 5 has gone to the foul line. They have received the pass there. And your role at this point, once that ball gets there, is to go up and set a screen here. And you're actually screening for player number 3, who is coming over, receiving the handoff. They're getting the ball, and then they're going to go around you and drive to the basket. So basically, player number 4 and player number 5 are acting like a double screen to stop player number 3's player from being able to guard him, and player number 3 is going to drive to the basket. Now, once player number 3 drives to the basket, you'll see that you're going to open up, basically turn your body towards the basket and then head towards the basket, because if the person guarding you goes over and guards number 3, you're going to be open for a pass and a shot. Run through that again. The ball goes to player number 5. You go up and set a screen. Player number 3 drives to the basket. You turn and head to the basket with them, looking for a rebound or a pass and a shot. We'll run it through one more time at full speed. And that is Purple Cow. The next play we're going to look at is Llama Llama Llama. Again, you're aligned in the same position to start the play as you will see on each of our plays. Player number 1 will announce Llama 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 before they cross half court. Once they cross half court, the play is set into motion. Now, player 2 is going to go across to the other side, and player 2 and player 5 are setting a double screen here. They're just a big wall. Player number 3 has come over, and they're going to set a screen on the person who is guarding you. Your job is to run that person off the screen. So you're going to actually fake up as if you're going to go over the top of the screen and then go underneath it, closer to the basket, which is not the way we usually do it. But for this particular play, it's how we're going to do it. So you'll fake up and then go down right off of player number 3's shoulder. Then you're going to go off of player number 2's shoulder and turn there for the basketball to receive the pass. Now once you receive the pass there, you're going to turn and you're going to shoot if you're open. Most likely you will be open. And when you shoot, you'll see we'll have player number 3, player number 2, and player number 5 there for a rebound. So it's a good time to shoot. Now if for any reason you're covered and you're unable to get the shot off, player 2 is going to clear out to the top, and player 5 is going to go set a screen for player number 3, who's then going to come across the lane, and you'll have the opportunity to pass to player number 3. So from here, you're thinking shot, drive to the basket, or pass to one of these people underneath the basket. Whatever opportunity you have, you're going to have to take. We'll run through that again. As the play is set in motion, you're going to wait for this screen to come across. As soon as player 3 is in position with their screen, you're going to fake high and go low around the left side of player number 3, run right off their shoulder, and again right off the shoulder of number 2 to get in position to receive that ball. You're going to turn and face the basket and hopefully take a shot right there, or drive to the basket. If neither of those things work, then you're going to look for number 3 coming across the lane. That's Llama Llama Llama. One more time at full speed.